into the future.
Mommy's lost. Mommy's lost.
Not this mommy. Not in this car.
Avis announces Avis Satellite Guidance, now being road tested in California. One more way the employee owners of Avis are making the future safer, faster, and better.
Destination ahead.
You found us.
Welcome to the GPS lab. In this lab, you will obtain coordinates of nearby locations using state-of-the-art GPS equipment, the Q-Star travel loggers.
We're into the future.
We'll start by configuring the GPS units on the computers in the basement lab. Connect the units to the computers using the USB cable, then turn on the GPS unit by flipping the switch to log. Now open the travel recorder GPS utility on the desktop. The initial screen will look something like this. Click on the Configure GPS button at the top of the screen to adjust how the GPS logs data. After the Configure window pops up, set the GPS to take measurements every second. Then click on the Advanced button at the bottom of this window. You should have the following boxes checked. You can consult the lab handout if you want to double check. Once you hit OK, the GPS unit is configured and you are now ready to take measurements. We will be verifying the coordinates of the control points we used in the Traverse lab. So go to a control point, set the GPS unit on it, and switch the unit to log. You will then wait about 5 minutes and allow the GPS unit to gather data. Next, move the GPS unit to the next control point and set the unit on top for another 5 minutes. You will need to do this for 3 control points. Keep track of the times you started and stopped taking data so that you know which data points correspond to each control point. You can also hit the red waypoint button to mark a location. After you've gathered data for the control points, you will now measure the perimeter of the CAE building. Just walk around the outside of the building with the GPS unit. Next, you will walk around the perimeter of a more open area. Walk around the sidewalk of Engineering Mall, and be sure to make a complete loop. Once you're finished, you can now return to the basement lab to analyze the data. Connect the GPS using the USB cable, and switch to log just like you did before. You will then use the import wizard to import your data. You'll need to select the data set that has your data points. You'll be able to tell which one is yours by the starting and ending time. Once you select your data, your path will be plotted on Google Maps. You can also switch to Google Earth and verify your data points are in the right location. To view your data, go to File, then Raw Data Manager. You can view the latitude and longitude coordinates of your data, and also factors that affect accuracy, like types of positioning used, number of satellites, and dilution. You can hit Save at the bottom of this window to export it to an Excel file. You can now use this data to calculate the coordinates of your control points and also things like the area of Engineering Mall. Please consult your lab handout for further details.
Satellite.